I'm filming now.
Zooming?
Wait, the red light's flashing. Does that mean it's recording?
I think so. This is George Aragon with News Channel 4. Look at this snow out here. We're going to measure it with this stick right now. Look at that. The snow is really light, though.
So how deep is it?
Look at me, I'm stuck. I don't advise you to do this unless you're a trained professional idiot. How deep is it? I don't know.
Well, the thing is stuck in the snow. How does
This deep. That's like at least 2 feet, right?
probably?
My hole I made. Watch this. It's deep.
Did that hurt?
No. Awesome. Okay, you can stop.